Hi, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to take an indoor project that did not use any targets, no sphere targets, no checkerboard targets. We're going to register it, create a ClipBox, and then we're going to show how to export it using the recap function that's built into Scene 7. So as we can see, we've got a 7 scan project. This is our opening screen. We can go, there's several ways to do this. We're going to go directly into process scans. We're going to choose the top folder and up in the right hand corner, configure processing. Now this is in the newest interface. There's also an old interface. We're going to stick with the new interface today. Now we've got an opportunity to create scan point clouds. We're not going to do that. Reason being, if for some reason when we register this, it does not come together completely. If we have, say, a cluster created in 1 or 2 scans that need to be brought into that cluster for a full registration, we don't want to have to keep saving and updating the point cloud, and it's going to take much longer to create the point cloud while we're registering than if we just do the registering, get it correct, then create the point cloud. So we come down a little bit further and we've got an automatic registration option. We're going to do that, and it's going to give us an option of what method we're going to use for the auto registration. Now, again, there are no targets being used in this scan, so if there was, we would go up and we would choose what type of target and the sphere size and whatnot. But because there aren't any, we're not going to check off any of the boxes under Find Targets. We're going to come down to registration method, and as you can see in the drop-down menu, we have our options. If it was using any targets, we would choose the target-based, top view, cloud to cloud, or both top view and cloud to cloud. Keeping it at the default top view and cloud to cloud, this is going to be defined as the software system is going to look down on each of the scan positions and the point clouds and rotate them from the top down, looking for common walls, furniture, any geometry that is in each scan that's common, and then lock them together by looking at the top down. Once they're together, then it will go through a cloud-to-cloud registration process, looking for common XYZ points and tighten up or make the actual registration more accurate. So we'll go with the top view cloud-to-cloud default registration method, and then go to start pre-processing. Looks like we've got a successful registration. We can show the registration results. Here's our error, our overlap, everything we might need to know. Let's go into Explore, and here is the project. Making sure all of our scans are loaded so we see the full project. And we have green lights. We can right click and lock that cluster. And now we can go and actually create a point cloud. The project point cloud will allow us to do things like have a clip box and melt away some of these points to get to something maybe in the interior that we can't see clearly with the in the 3D point cloud view. Project point cloud, upper right hand corner, create. Go ahead and save it. Here's our default option box. Go ahead, just hit OK and let it cook. Our project point cloud was created pretty quickly here. We'll just hit OK, and now jump back into Explore, let that build up, and we can actually unload all of our scans. As you can see now, there's no lit boxes next to the scan names, and we still have a fully visible project. If you aren't familiar with the project point cloud, this is going to give you the ability to look at your project in 3D without loading the scans. It is a much easier way to look at your project in 3D without overloading your computer. It also gives you the ability to now create a ClipBox. Once the ClipBox is created, we can just take a look here at the top of our 3D model. Open it up so we can see the entire project. What I prefer to do at this point is to use the tool options up here and open up this manipulator. As we've got our top view, it enables us to rotate the actual clip box to match up with the sides of the building. So it just makes it a little bit easier to work with. If we want to, say, get rid of one of our walls, now we just slide it in really nicely, and it enables us to take a look in the inside of our project. When it's generally created, it's not going to be square with the project, and it's just a real easy way to make sure that we have the ability to just do simple things like this. Now, if we want to look at something specific, as you can see, without the clip box, it can make things very difficult. If you want to look into the project, this is where a lot of beginners get frustrated with looking at the actual point cloud. They don't see where they're really getting their money's worth out of scanning. But a simple process like this enables you to get rid of unwanted points and center in directly on just what you want to see in 3D. If you want to do any measuring, going to measure points. Now, if this is getting you to where you need to be, we can switch directly to how we would export this point cloud project in Recap so that you can open it in any Autodesk product. So you can take a look at this in AutoCAD, 3D Max, Maya, any number of Autodesk software packages. So we will go ahead and save our project. Go to export. We want to export project. We've got all kinds of options here. Web Sherpa Cloud, exporting scans, export project, point cloud. We're going to export the project. Now this format option, we use the drop-down menu to go to recap project. And we can choose, where this is going to be placed. And just simply hit export. And it says we've got a successful export of our project in Recap. So we can just quickly go and jump into the actual file folder. This is the scene project, raw scans and whatnot. You'll see a duplicate folder up here with the same name. And if you open that up, you've got what was created in the recap function. You've got your RCP file, and then if you open up the support file, you've got your RCS files mixed in here with all the rest of the information in different file formats. All this information should be exactly what you need in file format wise to bring everything into the Autodesk software packages you might have. I hope this helps. Good luck.